Are you familiar with the concept of ozone layer? Since childhood, we are only listening about the ozone depletion amid increasing pollution and population activities on Mother Planet. But this time, it is something different. Something you have never seen or heard. The ozone hole shrinking in size and rehabilitating its composition. Believe it or not, but this is happening. This is Earthy Perks, and here we are with a shocking, yet a good news regarding the ozone layer fixing itself to protect our beloved planet. A quick review about what ozone actually is. It is said to be a highly reactive molecule comprised of 3 oxygen atoms that occurs naturally in small amounts, approximately 7 to 25 miles above Earth's surface, in a layer at the atmosphere called the stratosphere. The ozone layer is a sunscreen, shielding the planet from potential harmful ultraviolet radiation that can cause skin cancer and cataracts, suppress immune systems, and also damage plants. In 1982, according to NASA and NOAA, an ozone hole was observed over Antarctica due to abnormal weather patterns in the upper atmosphere. The time between September and October 2019 dramatically limited ozone depletion. The annual ozone hole reached its peak extent of 6.3 million square miles, 16.4 million square kilometers, on September 8th, and then shrank to less than 3.9 million square miles, 10 million square kilometers, from the remainder of September and October, as per NASA and NOAA satellite measurements. During years with normal weather conditions, the ozone hole typically grows to a maximum area of about 8 million square miles in late September or early October. But this ozone hole shrinkage is a great news for ozone in the southern hemisphere. But this is mainly due to warmer stratospheric temperatures. It's not a sign that atmospheric ozone is suddenly on a fast track to recovery. The Antarctic ozone hole forms during the southern hemisphere's late winter as the returning sun's rays start ozone depleting reactions. These reactions involve chemically active forms of chlorine and bromine derived from man-made compounds. The chemistry that leads to their formation involves chemical reactions that occur on the surface of cloud particles that form in the cold stratospheric layers. This ultimately leads to runaway reactions that destroy ozone molecules. NASA and NOAA employs the complementary instrumental methods to keep an eye on ozone layer. Satellites, including NASA's Aura satellite and NASA-NOAA Suomi National Polar Orbiting Partnership satellite and NOAA's Joint Polar Satellite System, NOAA-20 satellite, measure ozone from space. The Aura satellite's microwave limb sounder also eliminates layers of ozone-destroying chlorine in the stratosphere. This is the 3rd time in the last 40 years that weather systems have caused warm temperatures that limit ozone depletion. There is no identified connection between the occurrence of these unique patterns and changes in climate. The sinking warmed the Antarctic lower stratosphere, minimizing the formation and persistence of the polar stratospheric clouds that are a main ingredient in the ozone-destroying process. This is Earthy Perks, signing off with the hope that in coming years we would be able to protect our mother planet.